Hello and welcome to another Pop Vinyl unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing this Ironman Avengers Endgame pop and tea box. Got this a couple of months ago. I think it might have been around Christmas. It could have been just after Christmas actually. But yeah, this was from Lidl and they were selling them for £17.99, which is really cheap because pop and teas on in the UK, they're usually around 25-30 pounds, could be more, depends where they're imported from. But yeah, these come from Lidl and they were really good price actually for £17.99. So yeah, I decided to buy one, but I didn't buy just one. I bought a few. I bought a 4 for Endgame, an Infinity War Thanos, and an Avengers Endgame Captain America. And they actually had a few others. They had a Hulk one, which I didn't get because they only had them in a medium t-shirt, so I didn't pick it up. Also, they had I think it was Ghostbusters, and they had something else, but I can't remember. It was quite a while ago. But yeah, I picked these up because I thought it's an amazing value, to be honest. If you say around what, £7.99 for a pop, which they actually sell pops for around that price, and t-shirt a tenner. You can't go wrong really, because these prices definitely cost more if you buy them from other places, and probably eBay, probably gone up by now. But yeah, it's pretty cool for a pop and a t-shirt. I think one of them I did actually open. That's just because I just tried the I didn't try the t-shirt on, I just wanted to have a look at the t-shirt. But yeah, these should fit. So this is, put that to one side, the t-shirt. And this will go nice in my Pop Vinyl t-shirt collection. I mean, this t-shirt probably would go for around, probably more than a tenner, probably. 10-15 pounds maybe. But yeah, it looks really cool. Have a look. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, they only had medium and large in. I'm not sure if they've gone above large. I probably would have got an extra large if they had that available. But that's a really nice t-shirt for the price. And inside you get the pop as well. Try to slide this out. Or also, you could, after you've used this, you could probably use that as a little display piece. Look really nice. And we have the it's a special edition and glow in the dark Tony Stark, and you can get like Tony Stark, Captain America, Hulk, Thor, Thanos, Black Widow. I imagine these are all just the regular Avengers Endgame. You can get, I think I've actually got 4 maybe, not this 4, not special edition one, but the regular 4. Pretty nice pop. Let's try and just unbox it. There we go. Try and get this in. Oh, that looks really cool. Yeah, it's like a transparent. The light actually is quite blinding. Yeah, sorry if you can't see this, but yeah, it's the it's transparent all the way through, whereas suit there is. So I imagine that's what actually glows in the dark. Actually goes up to the neck as well. So that's pretty cool. Definitely worth the price. I'm gonna look out, maybe keep a lookout for see if they bring these out again. Maybe they will. Who knows? Maybe in about a year's time or so. But I'd just keep looking. And yeah, I'll probably have some pictures on my Instagram of these pops. Might try and get a glow in the dark one, because sometimes they don't always work, glow in the darks. But yeah, big thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe. Let me know, did you pick one of these up, or maybe you picked them up from a different website? And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. So this is what the tuna shark actually looks like, glowing in the dark. Looks pretty good actually. All the white bits as well, all the suit light up. I thought it'd just be the middle bit, but yeah, really nice.